Hey guys, I just wanted to share a quick video about my thoughts on my Boss Audio head unit. This is one of the floating display units from Boss, and what I have here is the 7-inch version. I believe they have different sizes from 6.6 to 10 inches. I originally wanted to get the biggest screen, but I was worried it's going to cover my instruments, hence I opted for the smaller version. This is how it looks like from the driver's point of view inside my 2006 Mini Cooper. As you can see, it just sits below my speedometer, but unfortunately it does cover the upper portion of my AC controls. You can tilt the screen on different directions and move it up or down, but in my case, it's already on its highest position and I'm able to move it further to unblock my AC controls. The unit supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. To make the experience seamless, I installed an iBolt dock so I can just mount my phone and it automatically connects to the unit and charges my phone at the same time. I'm using an Android phone and it does take a while to load, but I do imagine this depends on the model of your phone as well. And here you can see it automatically loads my Google Maps. And I have Spotify in the background as well. If you go to home menu, you can see all of the apps. In terms of sound quality, I'm pretty happy with it. Particularly, it comes with graphic equalizer and subwoofer output, which are both missing from my factory head unit. And if you have connected it with your light switch, it will automatically dim your display when you turn on your headlights. I'm also happy that you have the option to change the LED light so it can match with your interior lighting. As you can see here, all of my lights are in amber. And there you have it. That's my quick overview of the Boss Audio BE7ACP-FT. If you're looking for an affordable floating display unit for single DIN application, I do highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.